In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify and find the right theme for your store. Whether you're setting up a new storefront or looking to refresh your existing one, selecting the right theme is key to capturing your brand's essence and attracting customers. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Shopify admin page. You'll find yourself at what is called My Store. This is your home base on Shopify, where you'll manage everything related to your online shop, from products and orders to designing the layout your customers will see. Make sure you're logged into the right account, and let's move on to the next step. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled Online Store and give it a click. This section is your gateway to customizing the digital face of your business. Here you can manage pages, blog posts, and, most importantly, your store's themes. This is where you'll begin the process of selecting a new theme or modifying an existing one to fit the style and functionality you're aiming for. After entering the online store section, direct your attention to the bottom of the theme area, where you'll see an option to Visit Theme Store. Click on this link. The Shopify theme store is filled with a wide array of design options. Some are free and others are paid, each providing various features to enhance your customers' shopping experience. Browsing the theme store is like window shopping for your website's wardrobe. Once inside the theme store, you might be interested in exploring free themes first, especially if you're just starting and want to minimize costs. To do this, simply click on the Free option. Free themes are a great way to test different styles and layouts without making an upfront financial investment. They're usually straightforward, easy to implement, and can be a perfect solution for small or new businesses. But let's not forget about the paid themes. These can offer more advanced features, customization options, and sometimes a more unique and polished aesthetic. Clicking on the paid option will present you with various premium themes that cater to different industries and tastes, giving your store a professional edge and potentially increasing customer engagement. In summary, whether you choose a free or paid theme, ensure that it reflects your brand and fits well with the type of products you're selling. The right theme can significantly impact the first impression your store makes, influencing your customers before they've even decided to explore your products. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an enticing and efficient online store that captures your brand's uniqueness. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with Shopify.